Number 1, snake. There is a snake in the garden. Snake. Number 2, cake. I made a cake for your birthday. Cake. Number 3, rake. Will you help me rake the leaves today? Rake. Number 4, lane. I am in the right lane of the road. Lane. Number 5, tame. The animals at the zoo seem very tame and calm. Tame. Number 6, blame. Don't blame me for your bad grade. Blame. Number 7, safe. Make sure that you are being safe on the playground. Safe. Number 8, gate. Please close the gate when you leave. Gate. Number 9, gave. My friend gave me a Valentine this year. Gave. And number 10, plane. My trip to California was my first time riding on a plane. Plane. Number 1 was snake. 2, cake. 3, rake. 4, lane. 5, tame. 6, blame. 7, safe. 8, gate. 9, gave. And 10, plane.